Hi, this is Sose. This is job opening for the technology software engineer for the ADP Pvt Ltd. The location is Bangalore. The education required is the computer science or equivalent experience with the commercial software engineer, experience in mobile or digital content platforms, and the preferred skills are multiple font and language like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and knowledge of NK and TypeScript and JIT and version controls are required. The second technology is engineer RSA, Archer developer for the ANC banking company. Location of Bangalore, and the shift will be scheduled from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. And the continuous delivery practices to increase delivery speeds and experience working in collaborative teams and build innovative solutions and experience on delivering and implementing end-to-end Oracle GRC solutions. And the third technology is advanced software engineer for the company Honeywell. The location is Bangalore. The preferred qualification is bachelor's degree, university degree, or equivalent experiences. The value is understanding various software development lifestyles, some relevant experience as well. And the fourth technology is Kevnit Digital Solution Private Limited Company for the full stack developer role. The location will be Bangalore. The key responsibilities are developing front-end website architectures and design users interaction on web pages as well, and creating servers and database functionalities. And the fifth technology is full stack developer for the Weir Group company. The key responsibilities are work with architects, engineer, QA, and operation teams to design and develop solutions, estimate engineer effort, plan implementation, and roll out applications with the cross-functional impacts. And the total work experience must be 5 to 10 years with all these like C Sharp, .NET Core, ASAP. Such technologies is a plus. And the link will be given in the video description, so you can apply from there. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job details. Thank you.